HVAC control mounted. Brackets in. Looking good. What you got, Wicky? Ooh, pretty.
All redone, but this is kind of gnarly, and actually it's got a bunch of scratches right besides that huge scratch. It's like somebody tried to buff it out and
fucked it up.
Fucked it up even worse. So I got to order a new one of these, but oh look, it's cracked anyway. What the hell happened there?
Son of a beach.
Pop it off for you.
Motherfucker. Well, this is in. Looks good. I'm happy with that.
You guys would like the front, look good from the front?
We'll I'm gonna check out the front right now. Catch you on the flip side? No? I thought that was funny.
Good. Funny.
Woo! Artsy. Looks good.
Good.
Looks like a brand new GTO.
That's kind of good. It's sort of what it should look like, huh?
Pretty much what we're going for. At least we're not building like a brand new Honda Accord.
True.
No one would give a shit about that.
Don't pinch yourself.
Wick, be careful, that shit's sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Extra warning.
Well, and the worst part is I seem to pinch my fingers in the wire.
Missing
cutters.
one?
Yeah, I try not to do them all.
Trying to slide it kind of up and over and out.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't seem to be the best way to do it.
Looks good. Got a fresh clock too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Quartz clock.
Ooh.
So it won't make the tick, tick, tick noise, but it'll keep perfect time and use less power.
I do like the old tick tick sound. Look at that. Pretty. Looks good to me. I like how the odometer's at 0.00000.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's going to be brand new.
I like the way we almost have a quarter tank of gas.
That's good.
We got some oil pressure, got some temperature. That's D&M. He did a good job.
Greenville, South Carolina.
You got to really tell them you want everything done, because the first thing I got back from them, I'll show you a picture of it, but like all these numbers were dirty. It was slightly clocked slightly out of whack, which I don't know exactly even how that happened. Some of this stuff was dirty. And you know, when I sent it to them, I said, look, I want it concourse new, like, so whatever needs to be done, do it. And then they sent it back to me, and I sent them pictures, and I'm like, wow, this is not at all what I expected. And they said, well, you know, if you want to silk screen the things, it's an additional, I don't know, $75 or $80 or something. Now, meanwhile, I spent $800 to get to this point. So I'm like, yeah, let's go the whole 75. The whole idea of having it be concourse minus this massive scratch.
Ugh.
Was the idea, but yeah, let me see if I can find those pictures. They're pretty
rough.
Pretty rough. I think that was like, maybe this is when I got it back. Well, no, look at, see how cockeyed everything, like that whole thing is cockeyed.
Oh yeah, that's crooked.
And then I have somewhere I circled the thing. There we go. So like see the dirt on the 120 and the 90 and all of these got like boogered up. And then this chrome piece was not too brand new looking. The Gen had the oil. I was like, that's not really what I was looking for. But you know what? The lens actually looked much better that time, because that's where that big honking scratch is now. So that's probably what I got for this, and that's what it's supposed to look like.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, that's the M5. Yeah. So that's how it came back initially, and I was like,
So we need to get a. You're gonna get a cluster lens.
Yeah. I gotta see. OPG's probably.
Clock time.
I'll have this thing forever.
Quartzed. I love analog clocks in cars.
Yeah, so it's a quartz. Looks just like the original, but it will keep perfect time. And that's from this guy, the Clockworks.
Oh yeah, a lot of other customers have used that.
He was fast, good, and I thought his prices were pretty reasonable. I don't know why I don't have the other bulb in there, because I think these should be, I don't have any bulbs in there. These should be LEDs, obviously, to match everything else that we got going. But yeah, got the clock housing from Frank's Pontiac Parts. The W must stand for Wick.
We hope.
Yeah. Doubtful, but.
There we go. Oop, oop, oop.
And I think we got some ground stuff that happens with all of this.
Yes. It should
Because I
be
have multiple
little tabbies.
grounds. Actually, I think there's a ground that comes off a.
over here to the radio.
I think so. I gotta look at the manual again.
We'll look in our book. Hey, you're clearing out boxes of shit.
Yeah, kind of nice. I think I have another one of these kits.
Yeah, there it is. Ground kit. All right, we're gonna work on that. Wick's making some little felt pieces. Turn on the light. Little felts.
Do I have this one in here directly?
This will help.
Yeah, it kind of holds this guy in place, so.
So it doesn't just spin freely.
Kind of ingenious.
Nice stuff you got.
Great if you have fingers that work for it.
I got little fingers. You want me to get it?
I think we got it. So then this guy is the holder, the felt holder inner.
The holder on her. The felter.
Oops.
Oh, did you drop your felt?
Yeah, but something hit the ground, didn't it?
I heard something hit the ground.
I think that was. Something that we'll need, and we'll be like, hey, where the hell is this?
It's like that's like the story of our lives. Oh, look at that, Wick. That's nice. Yeah, your AC.
Okay.
All right. Next.
Probably should seat those all the way, do you think, or no?
I would give them a little shove.
I don't want to
Oh,
make it too hard to
fuck
turn.
them up, though.
I don't make it too hard to turn
Well, it's
this
just
guy.
a finger switch.
Yeah, so this guy then goes like yay.
Like so.
And then we got the other piece somewhere. That was another piece.
Oh, God. Is that the duct?
That's a side. That's a side, that's a side. That's the guy we want.
You sure? That kind of looks like the other one.
Pretty sure.
Wick don't remember.
No, this goes the other way. Look at that bad boy like that.
Ooh.
So we probably should tighten that up.
Ooh. Ah.
Well, man, it's gonna be hard to get a screw in there after the fact.
I think we need to put that together now.
Yeah, this will be somewhat in our way, but we can still get to this. So yeah, I agree.
All right.
What screw you want to put in there?
Let's see. Ooh.
Like, yay. Seems like it's got a lot of play to it.
Hardware will fix that. Come on, you
Pretty
son.
amazing there, yeah. Somebody
Oh.
figured that out.
Yeah, it's like without CAD software, there's just some
Trial
dude,
and error, probably.
some dude with a scale ruler.
It is kind of amazing when you think about that stuff having to have been done by some kind of hand.
Last night I watched something on the Skunk Works, you know, with the SR-71 stuff like that. And it's amazing how they came up with all that shit with the literally pencils and slide rules and shit.
Yeah, when you look at technology from back then, I think we've had crystal before.
Ooh, Vince around.
Doesn't seem. It must go this way because of the curvature.
Yeah, because that cutout for the...
Yeah, and that's
frost.
the froster. This doesn't seem like it's a terribly, tremendously good fit.
Probably not one of the highest of quality items.
Maybe that's... But like this end seems like it should go over further, doesn't it?
No, like that. And that should hook, you know what I mean? So it's not sticking up.
Maybe it's... Well, now I can't get it out.
Oh, shit.
I guess that's the way it's gonna go.